Welcome to Auto Drive, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, expert insights, and everything on four wheels. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude, a legendary nameplate that makes a striking return with a modern design, advanced tech, and performance that captures Honda's sporty DNA. Stay with us through the entire video as we take you through every detail that car enthusiasts and everyday drivers need to know. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Prelude features a punchy powertrain that brings Honda's performance heritage to life. While official details are still limited, early sources suggest the car could offer either a turbocharged four-cylinder or a hybrid powertrain, possibly with up to 250 horsepower and strong torque figures for that thrilling driving experience. The transmission choices are expected to include a smooth shifting automatic with paddle shifters and possibly a manual variant for purists, giving a real connection to the road. The Prelude is expected to be front-wheel drive, staying true to its roots, although an all-wheel drive option would be a welcome surprise for performance fans. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Prelude offers a premium, sporty environment with a 2+2 seating configuration. The seats are likely to feature high-quality leather or Alcantara with options for heating and cooling, especially in higher trims. Expect modern comforts like dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and an ergonomically designed center console for a driver-focused feel. Space is optimized with a smart layout, perfect for city driving or weekend getaways. The exterior design makes a bold statement with a sleek coupe body style, aggressive lines, and aerodynamic proportions. With a low stance, wide track, and sculpted panels, the Prelude delivers visual impact from every angle. Dimensions such as length, width, and height are designed for sportiness without compromising practicality, and the longer wheelbase improves both stability and cabin space. LED lighting, sharp headlamps, and unique grille elements help the 2026 Prelude stand out on the road. Handling and ride quality are enhanced by an independent suspension setup with performance-tuned shocks and rack and pinion steering, delivering precision and confidence in corners. Braking is handled by all-disc systems with ventilated front rotors, offering both safety and control during spirited driving. Safety is always a priority with Honda, and the Prelude is expected to include multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Infotainment will likely feature a touchscreen system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, voice command, and an optional premium audio setup. Other convenient features could include a power sunroof, smart key entry, push-button start, power windows and locks, and advanced navigation. Honda may also offer special trim packages with sporty exterior elements, larger wheels, or a more aggressive suspension setup to appeal to enthusiasts. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive for more exciting reviews and in-depth automotive content. Share your thoughts on the 2026 Honda Prelude in the comments, and let us know what car you want us to feature next. Stay tuned till the end of each video for full coverage and expert breakdowns you won't want to miss.